Happy Four Leaf Friday, friend! I found three for you at Pinehurst Park. Let's see what else we can find today. But for now, here's day 857 of the Four Leaf Clover of the day. Yay! I'm hoping I can make it to the Lucky Patch today. So friend, not including the three four-leaf clovers we found this morning for day 857, I found you four more four-leaf clovers, and then seven five-leaf clovers, and some red clover flower for tea. I was hoping to get 2 mason jars filled with them, but we'll get what we can take. And don't worry, I saved you one so you can come find it before the lawnmower does. Like always. Oh, actually, there's another one. 2. Oh, 3. Waiting just for you, like always. I'll see you tomorrow.